What's 170 feet long, weighs over 200 tons, and can haul freight across the Australian outback like it's a Sunday drive? No, it's not a monster truck from a sci-fi movie, it's a road train. But wait, don't these massive machines sound like a recipe for disaster? How do they handle tight turns? What happens when they break down in the middle of nowhere? Stick around, because today, we're diving into the world of these beastly trucks, the unsung heroes of Australia's highways. Trust us, after this, you'll never look at a semi-truck the same way again. Let's start with the basics. A road train is a long combination vehicle made up of a prime mover, a massive diesel-powered truck, and multiple trailers hitched together. While most trucks worldwide haul a single trailer, Australia takes it to the next level, pulling up to 4 trailers on public roads. In mining and agriculture, these configurations can stretch to 7 trailers, creating a vehicle longer than a football field. First introduced in the 1930s, road trains have evolved into logistical marvels. Today, they can weigh over 200,000 kilograms and span 53 meters, making them the longest and heaviest road-legal vehicles on the planet. But with great size comes great responsibility. These beasts require meticulous planning to navigate the highways safely. Have you ever seen a vehicle this massive in your country? Let us know in the comments. Driving a road train isn't just a job, it's a battle against the elements. The routes these trucks traverse aren't your typical highways. They're rugged, remote, and often treacherous. Picture the Simpson Desert, where temperatures soar above 45 degrees. Or the long, empty stretches of the Stuart Highway slicing through the heart of the Northern Territory. These roads are miles away from any form of civilization, meaning a breakdown isn't just inconvenient, it's potentially life-threatening. Despite these challenges, road trains navigate these routes with precision. Their design accommodates Australia's unique geography with long, straight highways and reinforced bridges. Special assembly yards near populated areas ensure that road trains transition smoothly to smaller trucks for urban deliveries. It's a logistical masterpiece that keeps Australia's economy moving, even in its most isolated regions. Operating a road train isn't for the faint of heart. Drivers are often on the road for weeks, covering thousands of kilometers in conditions that would make most people shudder. They face searing heat during the day, freezing temperatures at night, and the constant risk of wildlife collisions. Kangaroos, camels, and even cattle wander onto highways, turning a split-second reaction into a matter of life and death. But it's not just the environment that tests these drivers. It's the sheer complexity of managing a vehicle this size. Maneuvering a truck over 50 meters long, especially during sharp turns or emergency stops, requires unmatched skill and concentration. Drivers undergo rigorous training and licensing to ensure they're up to the task. Their resilience and expertise are the backbone of the road train industry, making them unsung heroes of Australia's transportation network. Could you take on the challenge of driving one of these giants? Let us know in the comments below. These vehicles aren't just big, they're smart. Each road train is a masterpiece of engineering. They're powered by turbocharged engines generating over 600 horsepower with advanced braking systems designed to handle the immense weight. The trailers are connected using high-tech couplings that distribute weight evenly, ensuring stability even on uneven terrain. But here's a surprise. Despite their size, road trains are incredibly fuel efficient. By carrying more goods in fewer trips, they consume less fuel per ton of cargo compared to smaller trucks. It's efficiency at its finest. Let's talk economics. Imagine transporting goods across Australia's vast landscape using 4 separate trucks. You'd need 4 drivers, quadruple the fuel, and significantly more maintenance. Road trains eliminate this inefficiency by hauling the same load with a single truck. This reduces costs and minimizes wear and tear on infrastructure. But what about safety? Australia's roads are specially designed to accommodate these giants, with wide lanes, extended turning radii, and reinforced bridges. Drivers also undergo rigorous training to ensure they can handle these mammoth vehicles safely. Think road trains are better than regular trucks? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Despite their benefits, road trains come with their own set of challenges. Breakdowns in remote areas can leave drivers stranded for days, waiting for specialized repair teams to arrive. Wildlife collisions are another significant hazard, with animals often darting onto highways unexpectedly. Drivers must remain vigilant at all times, knowing that even a slight lapse in concentration could have catastrophic consequences. Extreme weather conditions add another layer of complexity. From torrential rains flooding dirt roads to blistering heat causing tire blowouts, the environment is as unforgiving as the Outback itself. Yet these challenges haven't deterred drivers or companies from relying on road trains. Their resilience is a testament to the robustness of the vehicles and the determination of the people who operate them. At this point, you might be wondering, why not load these goods onto freight trains? The answer lies in Australia's geography. The country's rail network is limited, primarily serving major cities along the coasts. Expanding the network into remote areas would be astronomically expensive and logistically challenging. Road trains, on the other hand, thrive in Australia's unique environment. The long, straight highways of the Outback are perfect for their massive size, and they can deliver goods directly to remote locations, something trains simply can't do. As the world pushes for greener transportation, the future of road trains is an intriguing question. Could electric road trains become a reality? Not anytime soon. While electric trucks are making strides, powering a vehicle hauling 200,000 kilograms across thousands of kilometers is a monumental challenge. The lack of charging infrastructure in remote areas only adds to the difficulty. For now, diesel remains king, but who knows? Maybe one day, we'll see solar-powered road trains cruising through the Outback. What do you think? Will road trains ever go electric? Share your opinion in the comments. In the end, road trains are more than just vehicles. They're a symbol of Australia's ingenuity and resilience. They connect remote communities, drive the economy, and showcase the power of engineering. Without them, the Outback would be a far lonelier place. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of Australian road trains. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing content about the world's most fascinating vehicles. See you in the next video.